Good morning. Welcome to Dad Bod Trading, the most boring and average trading you will ever find on YouTube. And this morning, on this beautiful 10th of February, 2022, we are going to be taking a look at Disney. We're going to be taking a look at Twitter, because that would be where the some of the action is at. So I'm a little bit late because my streaming software was doing something really, really weird, and I was trying to figure it out. Um, so let me see here. Do my channel on YouTube, and we're going to do here. Do. There, perfect. So as you can see, the SPY has just dropped, and it was because of the jobless claims numbers, which was happening at 8 o'clock, which I'm thankful it's happening now and not like after the open. But it's just so interesting to me that the stock market has to be manipulated somehow. I mean, look at this. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days ago. So 1 week ago, we had a key level hit right here, topped out at 458. Well, let's see, high of 458.12. And you know what we hit in aftermarket yesterday? 458.02. So we had resistance there. And somebody knew that it was going to stall out. You know, a lot of people, if you ascribe to the mentality that if it closes above VWAP, then it's probably going to gap up the next day. A lot of people that go by that, which it's true. Like on a normal day, on a normal day, you're going to have gap ups and everything, but it just seems super sketchy and super suspicious that it would get to this key level and then die and ricochet off of it. I don't know why that seems sketchy to me, but it sure seems sketchy to me. It basically just lost all of the gains we had yesterday. And going back down to, the top of this channel, 452 something or another, and well, it's below that now, or it was. Yeah. Anyway, it's just kind of interesting. Not that that changes anything that we do around here, because we, at Dad Bod Trading, being the average and uninteresting traders that we are, we just look at it and go, oh, that's cool. Okay, what can we learn from that? Thing I would say we could learn from this is do not hold any overnight positions before jobless numbers come in. So, yeah. Oh, good stuff, good stuff. I guess it was at 7:30. Yeah, 7:30, not 8 o'clock. 7:30. Look at that drop, just boom, wham. So yeah, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good soup, as we would like to say. All right, and just make sure everything else is working good for me here. Where did Discord go? What are you? Oh, there it is. Feel bad for somebody that is in one of my chat groups bought Tesla calls at the top here yesterday. And unfortunately, just held them and held them. And apparently held them overnight. Rip, my dude. Long may you rest in peace. Or may your calls rest in peace. Alright. I'm still learning how to cut my losses quickly. I really am, because I tend to, if my entry is horrible, then I'll be like, oh, well, it'll go back up. And it just doesn't ever work out right. Apple. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, so I think that probably what we're going to do today is, I mean, okay, Disney had good numbers. Oh, and it's actually holding up. Okay, so this is interesting. So Disney had really good numbers last night. They had more new subscribers than what people thought. Their outlook was good. New subscribers to Disney Plus, I should say. They bundled. They did something really smart with Hulu. Excuse me. They bundled Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, and Hulu all together into a bundle at a discounted price, which is great if you want all of that. But that actually gave them, I believe it was 50% of their new subscribers was from that deal alone. So that was really smart of them. Who knows how many people would have subscribed to Disney Plus regardless of that deal. I don't know, but that was a smart move on their part. So Disney is definitely something to watch. And I'm very, very interested to see. Let's see, what did it close at? 47.23. So yeah, the prices aren't of the options are not too bad. But this thing could definitely fall apart. And if it does fall apart, there's nothing really holding it up here. I mean, it had broken out of a channel. So we have a channel right here. It's a messy channel, but it's a channel right here between 139 and 140. Let's see, 44.50. Broke out of that yesterday and was a really, really good day for it, actually. A good amount of range. So we went from, 144.53 up to 147, which is great. That was a nice day. But then gaps up, and now, oh, that was a gap there. Why didn't I see that? I obviously have not charted it, as I should have. Oh well. So we're above this gap. We want to stay above this gap here, of course. So 56.50 is what I would call support, but was it the CPI, Consumer Price Index? Is that what it was that tanked the market? I thought it was the jobs report. Is that the same thing? Let me ask George here. Consumer Price Index. Okay. Yeah. So that Consumer Price Index is a measure that examines the weighted average of prices of a basket of consumer goods and services, such as transportation, food, and medical care. Is calculated by taking price changes for each item in the predetermined basket of goods and averaging them. So basically, it kind of keeps track of inflation and that sort of thing. So price increases over the last year: cars 40%, gas 40%, gas utilities 23%, meat, fish, and eggs 12%, new cars 12%, electricity 10%. Uh, Overall CPI was 7.5%. Food away from home, blah 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 blah. So wow, that's kind of that's not good. I mean, that shows inflation. So that's what it was. It wasn't the jobs report. I was looking at the jobs report and I'm like, it doesn't look good. But oh yeah, there's the CPI. All right. Yep. So yeah, cool. Learn something every day. So that's what the CPI announcement. I knew that that was coming at some point. Didn't realize that was going to be today. This calendar that I have, it talks about. Did I miss it? Hang on. Why? Why did I miss that? So I looked at this morning. Why was I thinking? Was I in January? I don't know why I missed that. Why did I think I anyway? Second lesson for today. Don't be like me. Um so yeah. Okay, so I think what we're going to do, I think probably the best strategy today is to wait just a little bit. We're going to see what the market's going to do. SPY is hitting this critical level of 450. What's the Q's doing? So we're looking at 59. So it'll be the top of this channel, basically, is where it's at right now. Bum, 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 bum. Oh dear. Okay, I'm gonna go through let's go through our watch list here quick. We have about 14 minutes before the open. 27 there. Not too interested in that. MU. This one caught my attention when I was looking at it in pre-market, like early this morning, early, like 6 o'clock, kind of early. I'm like, okay, we're above 91. That's great. The bottom of this channel here, but it bounced off of it. Yeah, I wish I would have been more prepared yesterday to notice that this was at the top of this channel here, 85.25. Yeah. The break of the high of the day would have been a nice run for sure. But NVAX, gonna be an inside day, inside the channel. Visa card. This is disappointing to me. I thought it would do more. It kind of did some stuff, but it was super choppy. And anyway, I think I'm actually going to take it off. I'll do a price alert at this level here. Create. And these alerts are really nice because you can just clean up your watch list, and if it doesn't hit that level, you don't have to worry about it. So, Apple, poor Apple, it just can't get out of this channel here. I think it will eventually, but for now, yeah. SPY, we've looked at that. Looked at the Hughes. Boeing. So choppy. Like this thing is so choppy most of the time. Even when it has a good day, it's super choppy in there. So I think I'm going to let Boeing rest for now. AMAT. Again, this is another one that kind of opened above this channel. And it would have been nice to buy the break there, but yeah, I'm going to take that off because I think the options on it are pretty nasty. LVS. Again, I had high hopes for this, but look at the chop. So yeah, we're going to leave that. RBLX. That had a good run yesterday. That was good. That was an afternoon play that I think would have been very, very nice. Gonna leave that on just because I like it. FDX, FedEx, you disappointed me so badly. Maybe I'll leave it on because, I mean, look. 242. What is it at? 242. I'm going to, I think, at or below. We'll do this. There we go. Oh, is it there already? Here, I'm going to move this a little bit. There we go. Come on. Yeah, I want it below that. Johnson & Johnson. Hey. Why is this locked up? Oh, replace. Oh, okay, gotcha. Johnson & Johnson. Look at that. When it wants to go, it goes, but man. So choppy. Yep, I like that price mark there. AMD. What is this? All right. Tech stocks are getting hit pretty hard by this CPI number. So while we're there, can forget about a red to green move on this. That's for sure. I was thinking it would be really nice, but nope. So we're gonna leave AMD. Baba, same story. Tesla, and poor Tesla. Hopefully it can stay above 900. UPS. I'm going to, yeah, if it can be down to here. Might be interested in shorting it. At or below. Create. Alright. Good. Otherwise, not interested. Oh, I should put another alert up here at the top. At or above. Create. Thank you very much. UPS. Intel. Intel. Da, da, Da-da, da-da. Spotify. A nice little gap here. A couple bucks. If it reaches red to green, I'm interested in it. Otherwise, nope. Take that off. Facebook. Facebook. You're a mess. Alright, so we're going to go back over to the earnings bros here and see what's happening. So Disney has broken that support there that I liked. Oh, we'll see. See what it does here. I'm adding it to the watch list. Disney also had Twitter. Winner, Twitter dinner. Yeah, I still think that these levels are relevant. 38.69 and 35. Yeah. So I'm afraid. Not afraid. I mean, it looks to me like it's kind of run its course, unfortunately. If it can get back above this, that'd be nice. Create. Who else did we have? Lyft. Oops, that was the wrong thing there. Yeah, so yesterday I was talking about the red to green move on here, and it worked out nicely. I just wasn't around for it, so that would have been a nice play. And I kind of feel the same thing about this today. That if we can have a red to green move, maybe above this 44.30 for confirmation. Let me see here. Yeah, I think we need to be above this line here for good confirmation. Otherwise, it's just going to fail, I think. So we'll leave that. Somebody mentioned Uber. Oh, it is Uber. Just spelled out Uber. Had a nice day yesterday. Bounce off of the red to green line. Ba-doom, ba-doom, ba-doom. Man, this the CPI just ruins everything. Like, these would be really nice. Like a nice tight pre-market, post-market, and pre-market kind of action here. It would have been beautiful, because then you can just buy at support, risk below that, and then go for it, or if you're wanting to short it, short it when it bounces up to here and go down, ride it down. But oh well. Okay, I also want to check out Peloton. Did we look at that? That's not on our list here. Peloton. So much promise. Red to green would have been beautiful. But no. Nope. Okay, I'm interested in it if it gets back up here. So let's go. Create us a nice little alert here. Yeah. And that's good. Very good. Peloton, I'll just let you do your thing. Not interested in you today. CVS. The other day was a good runner. Good runner and a good fader. The mighty have fallen. So this could be a good second red day. 23.5. We're at the bottom here. This is interesting. This could get interesting here because look at the support here. What do we want it here? Yeah. We have some here. Like there. But then we also have that. Ooh, I think that might be a better level. Well, let's just say 103. Yeah, I'm not going to touch it yet, but that could be good. I'm kind of spamming the alerts here because it helps you. It's something that I did this last week a little bit in the background, and it's really nice because like I'll be trading away at something, and then all of a sudden, bling, there's an alert. I'm like, oh, I didn't see that on my side screen, and it's really handy. Oops. Save was an awesome thing there yesterday. I should have held the calls longer. It was the right call. It really was the correct call. No pun intended. There's the bell. But I mean, the options were not doing anything right here. Like the one that I had, the call at the $30 strike level, right there. It wasn't it wasn't gaining value. Well, turns out it actually doubled up to here, so it could have been a 100% gain. I probably would have sold it in here for maybe a 30 or 40% gain, but that's okay. It was a good call, and it worked out in the end. So I was right about it, and that always feels good. But it definitely clunked up against the top of this resistance here, that 28 level. So yeah, if it can get back up there, it would definitely be a nice thing. I'm gonna actually do our alert right here and call that good. So SPY and Qs are bouncing a little bit. Again, I'm just kind of gonna sit here, wait for it. Okay, CVS, that's interesting. So CVS could potentially be, if it can break this level here, 105. What's Disney doing here? Disney, what are you doing? All right, so I'm going to. Oh my word! Look at the spread on those options. Would have been worth it, I guess, but wow. We do have a gap to fill down to 53. So I'm going to say. Strike price of what did I say? 53. I'm going to do the 150s. I've gotten those at about 87, I think. Now, in paper trading, mind you, so that's why I'm kind of like, okay, UPS, it was saying. Okay, we're going to give that some time to work. UPS. What's it doing? Oh! Okay. Interesting. So, I don't want to... Yeah, CVS is going now. Okay, I'm going to focus on Disney here. Okay, Disney is doing well. Twitter's not really doing anything much. I say, have a gap down to 53. Okay. Twitter could potentially be doing, might be able to, 37, that's just inside there. Okay. Uber's looking good. Bounced very nicely off of that line. That's pretty clean right there. Disney, what do you have for me? You going to be good? Why is it on? New York Stock Exchange. What we hit? 54 here, which is the top of this channel. It's fine. Alright, so what we're looking for here would be maybe the H pattern. We'll see if we get it or not. Man, the spread on these puts are atrocious. Wow. So I might just leave it. I don't think I'm going to. I think I will. Yeah. It be pushing. So I'm actually going to add to the position here that get our average down a little bit. And see what happens. Delicious cookies. So our new average is at 77. Yep, where am I? So I would really like to see the gap filled to this, 53 level. That would be nice. Let's see here. Yeah, about 53. A little above 53. So let's go ahead and put us a little drawing there. There we go. We will see what happens. And the SPY and the Qs just they just keep bouncing there. Okay, let's do this. Come on, let's go. Tesla is rebounding very nicely. That's good. Apple looks like it's going to break out of its little channel there. That's nice. Tesla's looking beautiful. Look at that. That would have been a good trade. Let's see. I have a feeling that we're actually going to bounce back. We'll see. This was a key level here at this 154. So let's see what happens. 154.50 or so. Because if this can run away, Disney is going to, if it can go above this 156.50 level and hold above there, I think we could turn very bullish. So we are still kind of in the realms of possibility with the H pattern, but it's not looking good for shorting it. That's for sure. What are we looking like on here? A nice bull flag here. But we are getting higher lows. And it's more of like a pennant, I think. Definitely a triangle. Hey, let's try this. Let's make a little drawing here. Up here. Ta-da! I'm gonna go from here. Add a drawing. And onto here. Now, theoretically, if it breaks out or breaks down with this triangle, then that'll determine the direction of it. Excuse me. Let's see if that holds true. It's looking pretty bullish. So I'm going to... Oh, save made it up there. Okay. Do. Well, yeah. SPY is bouncing off of our key level of 454. Nope, not anymore. If we have any kind of drop on SPY, then this is gonna tank. I kind of think that we're seeing an H pattern here. I could be wrong, but I think we're seeing an H pattern here. Yeah, very nice. Do. I need to catch up on my text messages here. I didn't see I had a whole bunch of messages come in, so hang on 1 second. Okay, let's see. Okay, what happened when I was gone? Oh, UPS or Disney. Disney. Why you gotta do me wrong like that? Hmm? We're still below this level, so I'm gonna hold it for just a little bit longer, but I'm thinking maybe we should just cut it here. Ah. Okay, we're hitting on VWAP. So it's wanting to stay above the bottom of this channel here at 155. Why is Discord like bleeping at me? There we go, Disney. Yep. Stay below 155. Mm-hmm. Hey, what happened? There's a big push on SPY. I think this could turn bullish very quickly. Another red to green. Boy. Ooh. Aha. Let's grab a couple of these. Oh, they're cheap. That's my downfall. Oh, Disney. Okay. We're gonna do save calls. Strike price of 30 again. And this time we're getting them at 23. We're gonna get it. We're gonna go for it. All right. Let's see you do your magic, Spirit Air. Disney, what, Okay. Seven. What? Seven. What is this? 52. I don't know what that is. I'm not sure what they're talking about there. 52, 27. Close. that's all about. What is this? I don't know. Honestly, don't know what that's all about. I'm going to take those off. There goes, Spirit. Yeah. Let's see. Can you do it? Leave Disney to sit in misery. Come on. We're looking for a break of 28, and then I'm going to hope for probably 50 cents. We're going to go for 50 cents gain on that. So 28.50-ish, I think would be a decent goal. Facebook's doing a nice little climb. So is Peloton. Peloton, wow. Apple did break out of the channel that it was in. That's nice. That would have been great. Good for it. And there's a lot of mixed stuff happening right now. I mean, you've got some runners like Peloton, you have Facebook and Apple, and then you have stuff like Disney that's just kind of sitting there, just not doing anything. So we're in here on 23. Okay, so that's fine. We got in a little early, so we have some wiggle room. We're gonna get out at the break of this low here, 27.75 level. That's our stop. Ooh, and it wants more. Just hope Disney doesn't want more. It's always a little bit sketchy when you are going long on one stock that's on the New York Stock Exchange, and then you're going short on another one that's on the same exchange. And it's kind of like, aren't you like, it's a little counterproductive, because you want the one to go up, the other to go down. So, hedging, boxing. Ooh. Yeah, if Disney can break here, if it can get above 156, man, I think it's gonna run. I think it's gonna run really fast and hard. I feel like getting out of it, but I'm gonna stick to the plan. Our stop is at 156.50, and we're gonna stick to that plan. Unfortunately, we got some pretty crummy fill prices from the get-go there. Spotify. Okay. What's Spotify doing? Oops. Reflected off of there. Okay. That's great. So I'm actually going to put Spotify up here. do 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 do. I'm not seeing a whole lot of volume on here, so. Wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I've been trying. How's that go? I don't remember. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Give me an alert. Another one. Peloton. I just took Peloton off of my screen here. Yeah, nice. Yeah, Spotify is not having a whole lot of volume going on there. Okay. Cool. Well, I stand corrected. We could see a red to green move here, and that would be really awesome. I have a feeling it's going to reflect off of it, but hey, that's all right. Okay, hey, we're actually getting some good action over at Spirit Airlines. And we are looking good on our calls. So that's awesome. Ooh. Disney's looking good too. Yeah. Come on, baby. You can do it. Let's get a break of this little channel spy. I mean, that's not going to do our Spirit calls any good. But what's the high? What are these at? 28.2? 28.17. Oh. Okay. Okay. Whoa, Disney. Hey. No. That's the wrong direction. No. Just stop. That is a strong candle right there. Wow. That is a really strong candle, man. Squeeze it. All right, so we are going to get out. That's too bad. Let's give it just a second here. And easy come, easy go, you know. Oh, maybe not. All right, we're getting out. All right, that's too bad. Okay, so that's too bad. That's okay. This is why we're paper trading, right? Facebook. Okay, Disney, I think we're going to actually, I'm going to let it dip a little bit, and I think we're going to go long on it. Okay, so we're now long Disney call strike of 157.50 at 167. And don't tell me it's going to be one of those days where I'm like totally out of sync with the market. I think that it wasn't a bad call to short this. I just think that I didn't. I was thinking the gap was going to be down to this 153 level, but apparently not. It would have been a really good day to trade the SPY because it's looking real good. Getting some good volume in here on the SPY. Nice, nice, nice. See that short squeeze, baby. This is a fantastic rebound. Like I said, I have had a feeling we were going to probably rebound. And we did, so that was nice. I just wish I would have taken action on that feeling on the SPY here because, yeah. All right, so this is an example of when things like the gap strategy don't work, okay? And you always have to be mindful of that. That sometimes you will have things, you can have a great strategy and it just doesn't work. So gap strategy is, 4 to 5% drop, which, okay, granted, this wasn't that big of a drop, but for the SPY, this was a big drop. And you would say, so we're going to go, we're going to short, prepare to go short when it breaks the low of the high of the first candle. So you're all in your mind, you're prepped to short. Jumps up here, you're like, okay, we'll wait. Goes up here, okay, well, we're going to wait until it bounces off of here and then goes down. No, it still doesn't do that. Twitter. What's Twitter doing? Hey, come on. Okay, so we're going to go long Twitter. 88, I think it was. What did I say? 88? Yeah. Okay. and our 39. So let's see what it does at 39 here. Do. Spirit's just slowly creeping up. Baba would have been a nice breakout. Quick, easy money. You know? Okay, so we bounced just a little bit above 39. What is this? What's the high here? 39.5. 9.10. I think we're going to see a little bit of a shift here as we get closer to 9:30. Probably we're gonna go into consolidation, and okay, I'm gonna take profits here at no, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna take profits on save. And we are out at 27. Very nice. Okay, and then Twitter. I'm going to wait just a minute here, see what it does. Oh, Disney. I was going to get out of Disney here. $185. Okay. Hey, why is my typing really weird on here? Yep, so we're out at 185. And then Twitter. Yeah, we're going to get out of Twitter at 76. Man, Baba's just going for it. Randy Green on Baba there. Real nice. Alright. Okay, so I think we're gonna wrap it up there. Um, oh, Spirit's still kind of going. That's nice. Uh, yeah. Yeah, but I think we're going to wrap it up there and call it a day. Wasn't the best day of trading. Looks like we had. So it'd be 47. That actually would be a very bad day. 47 dollars times 2 is 80, 90, 94, and then 104, and then minus. So we had two of those. So it'd be about 100, and then made 30. No, 20. Basically 20. So yeah, no, it would not have been a good day. That's for sure. And then there goes Disney. Everything's crunching. Why is everything crunching? Is it the tech stocks? Hang on. Gotta see this here. Netflix. Netflix, okay. Let's see here. Okay, so a break of this channel here would have been a good entry. 405. Wow. Okay, well, I need to go to work, so have a good day. Thank you so much for joining me in my failure. I'm so glad that I'm paper trading now. This is like yesterday, I was like, I shouldn't. I wish I wasn't paper trading, you know. But today, I'm very glad I was paper trading, and I'm going to have to go back and review what I did wrong and just kind of go from there. So, thank you so much for spending time with me. Appreciate it. And have a fantastic day. We will see you tomorrow, bright and early. Thanks again.